Guys, welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk about one force that is going to shape your life. Are you going to be success or a failure? One force that is going to ultimately shape your life is going to be your decisions. Decisions that you make on daily basis are going to absolutely shape your life. Are you going to be a loser? Or you're going to be the success? And now I'm going to show you, because a lot of people are bitching today about why is this happening to me? Why am I fat? People are complaining all the time. We live in the weak society. Society is so weak, and you don't understand that one thing can change your life, which is be conscious about the decisions that you make on daily basis. Okay, now I'm going to show you particularly. You chill, you are in a day, okay, you did something, you want to read some page of a book, quality book, Bible, something that is going to inspire you and it's going to give you knowledge so you can implement it. You choose to read a book, okay, you choose to read it, you choose to research it, you choose to put the knowledge that you get, you should put it into action. Or you choose to go on TikTok. You choose to go on TikTok. So you have two decisions. I'm going to read a book, or I'm going to turn off my phone, which is much easier. I don't need to think. I don't need to make a research. I'm just scrolling and wasting my time. So you have decisions to make. You can go and read a book and be more wise, learn something, or you can go on TikTok. It's your decision. Okay? Second thing, after you read a book, you need to be strong. You need to go to the gym. You need to look presentable. You can choose. Now I'm going to turn on my car. I'm going to walk. I'm going to run to the gym. I'm going to do my workout and I'm going to look better and feel better. That is the decision that you are ultimately going to make. Okay? You, nobody else. Nobody is going to wake you up from bed and say, "Oh, Dominik, you should go to the gym, go to the gym." Nobody, never. I choose to go to the gym and you should do it too. So you go to the gym. Or you can go and stop in McDonald's. Right? You go to the gym. The gym is 1 kilometer away, but McDonald's is before the gym, and you stop in McDonald's and you eat those shit food that is going to make you and feel like crap, and over a substantial period of time you're going to look like a bag of crap. But that is the decision. Listen, look at this. That is the decision that you are going to make. You are going to make. Are you going to go to the gym, or are you going to stop on the McDonald's? Because listen, every single action have direct and opposite reaction to it. If you go to the gym, of course, when you go once to the gym, you're not going to see a lot. But when you go on to the gym for 2-3 months, you're disciplined, you go 5-6 times a week, you're going to see the results. When you go to McDonald's once, you're not going to see the changes. But if you go to McDonald's for 2-3 months, you're going to see the change. So ultimately, your life is based on the decisions you're making. Listen, you can choose to eat good meat, good quality meat, that is going to give you protein and strength. You can choose to be a vegan. You can choose to be a vegan. I see a lot of vegans now on the internet. Weak people. They look like weirdos, bro. Literally weirdos, okay? So you can choose to eat good meat, be strong, be healthy, or you can choose to be only a vegan. I don't say don't eat salad. I like salad. I eat salad all the time. I love it. Okay, but be only vegan. What the fuck? Like, weak people, bro. Not testosterone, nothing. Failed society. So eat good meat. You can choose. You're going to be weak or you're going to be strong. You can add some salad. Of course, I like salad. You need vitamin. Okay, but be only vegan. What the fuck? Listen, that's the decision you are going to make. You can choose. Okay, now I have free time. I have 2-3 hours. I can learn high income skill. I can learn coding, I can learn copywriting, I can learn sales, marketing, communication. Something that is going to make me money in the future. You can choose to do it. You can choose now to go on laptop and start researching and find the people that are going to teach you high income skill. That is the decision you're going to make. That is the decision you're going to make. But you can also search for cord. You can do it too. Like that is your decision. Again, decision. All these arrows are your decisions. Now, listen. High income skill, search for corn. People that are addicted to corn, they're watching it every single day. Imagine you put all that sexual energy, which is the most powerful energy in the world, you put it towards learning something valuable, which is high income skill. Where your life is going to be. You can choose to find good network. You can tell your bullshit friends, I don't want to hang out with you. You're drinking, you're smoking, you're partying, you're not doing anything productive. I don't want to be like you. I want to find other people. You find good network of people, you're researching. You have online world. If you don't have friends offline, they're going to work with you towards your dreams. You have online people. Believe me, online people, incredible people. Like online people are I've never seen those guys in my life, like eye in the eye, in life. But they made me more money than offline people ever will. It's crazy. So you can find good people online, and you can stay with your fake friends. You can stay with your fake friends because you're afraid to be alone. You're afraid to be alone. You don't wanna, you don't wanna tell them, oh, okay, you're weird, or your friends start talking about you. Who cares? These people are not going to pay your bills. You need to find good network of people, or stay with your fake friends, do nothing, jerk off, and be nobody. So ultimately, today's video, it's about decisions. Decisions you are making on daily basis. Decisions, guys. Decision is one force that is going to... Look at this. You can read a book in a day. You can go to the gym. You can eat good meat. You can learn high income skill. You can find good network of people. You're going to end up rich, millionaire. Or you can choose to scroll on TikTok, go on in McDonald's, or be a vegan, search for porn, and stay with fake friends. What is the ultimate results are going to be? Failure. One force that is going to shape your life, that is going to... Of course, there are some things that you cannot control, right? There is God. There are some things that you cannot control. But what you can control is ultimately your decisions that you're making on a daily basis. One force that is going to change your life. So be aware of decisions you're making. Be aware what do you do through the day. Be aware of your habits, of your disciplines. Observe yourself. Is it what are you doing today is going to put you forward in the future, or you're going to just stay lazy and you're just going to fall down? Because listen, if you're not going up, you're going down. There is no middle. Nobody's in the middle. Or you're progressing, you're making something of yourself, or you're dying. Make your decision.